by their fruit you shall know them. Also na mkpụrụ ha na-amị ka ị ga-eji mara ha. Osisi ọbụla nwere mkpụrụ eji mara ya. Anyị bụ mmadụ mma nke ndụ nwere mkpụrụ ebumnobi Chukwu okike ji wee hapụ anyị ka anyị wee nọ on earth ka mmalụ atọ. Man is a spiritual jam in the spiritual realm, unconscious. But Chukwu okike in his infinite mercy thought it wise to allow man to descend to this gross material world, far away from his throne. This is cooler region, earth, so that man will recover his consciousness. That is why you recognize your existence. If I tell you where, if I ask you where were you in the last 500 years, 1,000 years, do you know? You don't know. Because you don't even know that you existed. I tell you that majority of people that are living here are not genuine human beings. Some of them, majority are people that are once lived here on earth, but they are condemned spirits. Mothers of nowadays. You will see a pregnant mother. She will be on the social media, half naked, forgetting that social media does not forget. History does not forget. They are not even thinking about what will happen when their children grew up. Because their children will grow up and they understand the internet better. They will see zoom those pictures and those videos.